That's fine. Mystery box. Mystery box. Let's see what we get in the reseller's mystery box. Okay. Alright. We got an accumulation of stuff. Oh, we got the guards for, I don't know what the hell these are. I'm just saying, we got a card. It's always good to have cards when your wife looks at you like mine's looking at me right now. Some more cards. There's a planner. Uh-oh, we got some labels. Easy Cart labels. Father's Day cards inside. Okay. All right. Well, my son can give me something for Father's Day every year. What do we got here? Paint by numbers kit. Teaches you how to paint that. Everything's inside of it. Graduate crap. Face shields. Clean nut face shield. Number 1. Don't know what they are. There we go. That's my new mask right there. That's the mask I'm wearing from now on. I'm digging that. Said you gotta wear a mask. They didn't say what type. Oh, we got a case with some glasses in there. What do we got here? This appears to be fake grass. Got some pretty thank you stuff. A giant cotton pad. More thank you party stuff. It's all right. Got our first phone case for a 12. All right. We got a luggage scale. They come in handy. Some balloons. A thank you Gator. I'm gonna see if I can set this up so I can use both hands here. Y'all excuse me while I set this up. That ain't gonna work, so I'll just keep on going through it with one hand. More balloons. There's a gold bookmark with cherry blossoms on it. That's cute. Got an envelope. So I'm assuming pretty much after Dollar Day, this is all the stuff that's left, but doesn't mean it's necessarily bad. These are some dead risers, I assume. Congrats 2021 grad. I don't know that anybody wants that. Plastic buckles. There you go. Graduation backdrop banners. Here we go. We got HDMI to... No, it's not HDMI. It's a freaking printer cable, though. Oh, it's an Ethernet cable. Okay. Hell, I need one of those the other day. More graduate stuff. Paper decors for your party. 2019 weekly calendar refill. A little bit late on that. Printed linen easy care napkins, 100% cotton, navy blue. Why should put those on our new fancy table? Oh, look at there, a whole thing of silicone rings. A lot of people wearing these nowadays instead of the regular wedding bands. They'll sell. Foam cushions. Look like earbuds. These are for your mask to keep them away from your face so you don't suck in the cotton. Plastic page dividers. Okay. More graduate crap. Screen Pro glass tempered. Might be broke, but we'll check it out later. Another Father's Day pop-up card. Look, my son's getting away with it here now. He won't have to do anything. Another one. Graduation banners. American flag. More graduation stuff. What do we got here? We got some type of toy set. I don't know what that is, but I'll let my son look at it and try to figure it out. Some rubber seals or gaskets of some sort. They'll sell. 3D multi-scarf. It's got some pretty flowers on it. We got a leaf yard flag, autumn decorative. Graduation banners. Can't get enough of those. Now we got some balloons with images of dragons fighting on them, apparently. Okay. We got another phone case. This is red. This is compatible with an iPhone 12. It's a pretty nice case. I don't need phone cases for a while. Another Gator. There's a big poof pad. Wife will use that. Doesn't look like it's been used, at least. Be my Valentine Day cards. Those will come in handy for my son as well. Here's an iPhone case. Another one. No, it'll be open. We'll check it later. Uh-oh, here's something for the wife. Ladybird fake nails. So natural. Better than your own is what it says. Better than your own, honey. Oh, skeleton gator. I'll put that on one of the dogs. They'll like that. Another mask. This one is... Looks like some type of Walking Dead or scary mask. I don't know. I like it. Assorted foam pieces of something. Here's those little glasses again. This is some type of border or PVC something. Hey, we got some, I don't know what the hell these are. Multi-purpose hangers with hearts on them. We got a, I'm going to say that's a, I don't know, it's a political flag. We got a whole shower curtain set with the hangers. Wham Wham funny elephant set. So apparently there's some elephants on that shower curtain. More graduate crap. Okay, face mask and a full lace wig cap. I'll be using that for my wigs. Some more masks. Graduate crap. Another flag. I mean, I'll tell you, this box is $25. You can say what you want to, but about the value of the stuff in here. But there's a lot of stuff in here. Baby teether nursing bracelet, food grade silicone. I'm a good friend of baby's teeth. I just help if I get my finger out of the damn way. Black balloons. Some buckles. A little canvas American flag. Bunting and garland. We got another little dog harness here. Looks like for a small dog. That's nice. What's next? Some more cables. This is another Ethernet cable. We got a black corduroy bow tie. Another screen protector. Fishnet something. Bright. I don't know how bright I was buying this box. Another flag here. Graduation banner. Hey, here's something with a St. Patrick's Day with a green pickup truck on it. I'll save that and sell it at the right time. Single rose gold, I don't know, bag balloon. 2020 calendar. There's a silicone keyboard cover for your dirty hands. Some type of fashion oven mitt. Looks like it's made out of dryer lint. Well, no, it's a self-tanning mitt. There we go. My daughter can use that. Some stickers. What is this? More graduate crap. What is this? Home Brilliant 26 by 26. I'm going to assume this is some type of curtain.